over a Judas Priest live video because I'm seeing the show tonight after seeing Glass Animals last night, which was great. But this show tonight is for my late friend Tom Hogan. High school. He died when I was in high school. He's my best friend. And he turned me on to Judas Priest and Van Halen. Yeah, that long ago, before a lot of you guys were born. And he died in an accident on a country club. He was working maintenance and he was effing around in a shed and was hanging onto something, swinging, and fell, broke his neck. And I went to his funeral, but we double dated. And like I said, he had a drum kit. We both played drums, and I had a guitar, so we'd switch off and jam and go to the mall, Southwick Mall, which isn't even there in Toledo, Ohio anymore. But yeah, my 40th reunion is this September, and I plan on going. What else? So yeah, Judas Priest concert tonight, and then another Glass Animals in Seattle Friday. Yeah, I often wonder who scheduled this shite. I gotta talk to my manager about that. Anyhow, I'm keeping busy. Hope you are too. Yeah, Tom Hogan. He's been with me all these years. I believe that.